is rightly said, toys are children's words and play is their language. We at Reliance Foundation School, Kopak Herane, Navi Mumbai are proud to be the part of this prestigious India Toy Fair 2021. We have developed educational kits which stimulate learning and are a supplement to the formal education. Our pre-primary teachers have prepared these beautiful educational kits to provide a holistic learning to students. These kits provide them with an opportunity for an open-ended imaginative play, exploration and social engagement. Each kit has been designed to target development milestones within appropriate age group. All these kits are interdisciplinary, which go a long way in internalizing the new skills and ideas, along with nurturing their creativity, imagination, and hence building a positive self-esteem. Now let me take you through one of our educational kit, the Hungry Caterpillar. The Hungry Caterpillar is an internationally acclaimed picture book by Eric Carle, which was originally published in 1969. This famous book has been developed into an educational kit which promotes intellectual, emotional, and physical development. This kit provides an interactive opportunity for fun to children by teaching them about numbers, life cycle of a butterfly, fruits, colors, and good nutrition. The story is introduced through a handmade picture book. Each textured page of the book provides a feed to the child's sense organs, thus enhancing their sensory skills. The handmade puppets in the kit opens the world of imagination and pretend play for the child, developing their motor skills along with their linguistic and social skills. The engaging coding games help in enhancing the logical and problem-solving skills. The child learns counting, colors, and numbers in a fun way through these index cards. This colorful and attractive magnetic board would surely catch any child's attention. This board has been prepared on a used window blind. The board, along with its magnetic picture cards of various characters in the story, helps to rebuild the story in their own language, thus developing their verbal skills along with the creativity and gross motor skills. Welcome to the puzzling world of tangrams and pentominoes. These tangrams and pentominoes kits are prepared by students themselves and they utilize them to explore the concepts of area, perimeter and symmetry. These kits develop the visual and spatial skills and also enhances the problem-solving ability, creativity and flexible thinking. These sets definitely help our students developing interest in mensuration and geometry.
As part of inclusive education in our school, we have developed different aids, especially for children with special needs. So I'm going to take you through some of the aids that we have made for our students. So to start with, the first one being the memory card game. So basically the memory card game is essentially for students with difficulties with regards to their attention, concentration, visual perception, and it helps improve their short-term memory. So these are the cards that have been developed and children love and enjoy mix and matching these cards and playing these games, but also improves their attention and concentration. The next one is the sensory jars, which is also called as the calming jars. So essentially, looking through the swirling patterns inside the jars really calms, relaxes and soothes children's all senses. The glitter inside the jar basically calms the child who is extremely anxious as well as in stress. This helps the child to deal with their emotions and their difficult behaviors, and not just for children but very helpful even with adults. The next one, the tactile map. So the tactile map is basically a multi-sensory approach to learning, to teaching and to education. I think it's a skill that every child should learn and understand, and it's through the texture and touch that children learn. For instance, like we have the map of India, that children really learn a subject that is very theoretical in a more hands-on and a kinesthetic manner.
We hope you enjoyed the toy fair as much as we enjoyed presenting it to you. It must have kindled your imagination and took you to a nostalgic trip back to your childhood.